Are you looking for the perfect family home or maybe an investment opportunity? What if we told you you could have both?
Because that's what you'll find today at our newest listing at 1465 Queensdale Avenue, located here in the heart of Blossom Park. This area provides excellent access to transportation, restaurants and grocery stores, not to mention Tim Hortons is just down the road. You're going to love it.
Absolutely. So upstairs, you're going to find 3 bedrooms, full bath. You're going to have an open kitchen and dining area, and then a separate living space. Downstairs, nicely appointed area, open concept kitchen, dining, and living area, with another full bath and a great sized bedroom. And
outside, you'll find a zero-scape backyard, perfect for entertaining. No mow, no fuss, just kick back and relax.
Absolutely. So jump on the opportunity while you can. Go ahead and give us a call and come see it for yourself.